So people, right here, Vybz Kartel freed by the Court of Appeal. Some breaking news, we have more details coming up. So we see nationwide news confirm right here that Vybz Kartel freed by Court of Appeal. A recent article, Vybz Kartel has been freed. The Court of Appeal freed the artist whose given name is Adidja Palmer this afternoon when it anonymously decided against the ordering of a retrial for 2011 murder of Clive Lizard Williams. So people, jump in the comment section right here what y'all think about this. So the mother of Trinidadian dancehall artist Plum Boss, who is currently in critical condition, is pointing fingers at the officials in St. Martin, stating that her son has not been getting the proper help he needs after being shot in the head on Sunday in St. Martin. Reports are that after being shot early Sunday morning, the DJ along with other members of his entourage were taken to the airport where they were picked up by an ambulance and taken to a hospital. Several persons were shot during the incident as per report. She stated, right now he's in a medical induced coma because the bullet lodged in his brain. I would like the Prime Minister to waive the health care policy they have in St. Martin. Plum Boss, whose real name is Mesak Emmanuel, needs surgery but is being denied the health care he needs because he's not a citizen of St. Martin. She also called for the DJ to return to Trinidad where he will be able to get better help. So earlier today, just before the decision came out, we see female recording artist Mon Sherry put out this post of Vybz Kartel. Well, it is a screenshot, as you can see, a video call incoming. Yeah, people, and we see a lot of fans react. Well, before, a lot of people were anticipating, a lot of people, you know, we see did I look forward to the moment, but right here as the decision come out, we see more reaction as we mentioned earlier in the video. Well, we always see photo of Vybz Kartel behind bars leak over social media all the time, but it's like this time around the fans them are come at Mon Sherry for put out the photo in this formal way, you know, and it's like they must say look at the time when she put it out. Yes people, so right here we see a lot of fans reacting on top of the news that circulating. So reggae artist right here, Anthony B, has revealed that he underwent emergency surgery after experiencing severe abdominal pain while rehearsing for his Reggae Sumfest appearance earlier this month. Just hours before.
Giving thanks to be alive. July 17 of this year, I flew to Jamaica to do Reggae Sunfest in Montego Bay. While I'm there doing my rehearsal with my band at Down Sound Record, I feel this pain in my belly. Terrible, terrible. Then went to the hospital. They say I have a puncture tube, a puncture tripe, something leaking inside of me. So I had to go to the emergency room and have an emergency surgery done immediately. The doctor said if I don't go and get the surgery done, I won't be here tomorrow. So I'm here now. I was discharged from the hospital yesterday. So I'm here to give thanks for life. No one knew the minute, no one knew the second. We're here because of the grace and the mercy of the Great One, the Creator of all things, the Father of all things, the Giver of life. So in everything I do, I will be forever giving thanks to the Most High to be here. And I want to take this time out to also give thanks and big up all the medical staff at the University of the West Indies Hospital in Mona. Yes, I got to take time to big them up. It was 9-10 hours of surgery. I went in after 12, which is like the 18th of July, and I never wake up until the 20th of July. I realized the amount of things that I went through. When I wake up, there is so much hose coming out of my body, different places. Hose through my nose, hose through here, hose through here. So I'm here and I'm alive, giving thanks. I want to take time again to big up all the doctor, because I tell them thanks 1,000 times. You understand? So big up all the doctor. And I never take life for granted. Take nothing for granted. We could be here now and gone the next minute. So in everything you do, give thanks for life. Yes, I'm back up running. So I'll be journeying today back on the road, reggae and the river in California, Humboldt County, California. I will see you on the 2nd of August. This will be my return performance. Give thanks, I'm healthy and strong. The doctor discharged me yesterday and said I can go back to work. I just have to take it easy. Take it one step at a time. I can eat now, eat again, some good strong food, get the body up. Yeah man, so I want to say big up to my family, big up to my kids. They were there like a champion. They stand up around me like a champion. They rise to the occasion like a champion. So big up my daughter, Tyra, Blair, Imani, Blair, big up my son Adine. Yes, big up Andrea, big up the whole team, big up everyone of my family member who was there, and give thanks to all the friends who send their love and send their prayers. Give thanks to all the fans around the world who send their love and send their prayers. It is very important when we pray together. It's a very powerful energy in the universe. So I applaud all the fans around the world, and to all the promoters who I have to cancel their event. I hope you have a full understanding, and I'm giving thanks for the Sunfest team. Big up yourself, Joe McDonough, Scatter, the whole Sunfest team. You understand, you have dealt with me professionally like a real human being. Many times, many promoters and many people might forget that we're also a human being. So I'm giving thanks for the professionalism of the Sunfest team. Big up on yourself, Scatter, you don't know. Wolipa love, Joe McDonough, Wolipa love. Yes, big up 7 Star Entertainment, big up Island Bookings, big up Trainline Record, big up my brother Johnny Cool, and big up all my Rastafarian brother them who come out, show me that love, send that prayer and that love. So today, I want to send that love to you all the fans around the world. Thank you very much.
So we recently featured a video and right here an article on this right here where Aana says she won't financially support a man. This is not Queeny. Females, let me know if y'all agree with this right here as we get into the article. So weighing in on the ongoing 50-50 debate when it comes to spending in a relationship, Aana the Sinjay said to each his own, but she could never financially support any man. During a recent sit down on the Truth Is Real podcast, she said, "This is not Queeny. I'm sorry, am I allowed to say that? Me nah mind nobody. No, if I'm on a level, I want my man to be on a similar level. Yeah, and as I said, me no believe in a mining man." Queeny popularity equally blossomed from her relationship issues and viral double tap bop regarding the former her current marriage to Dwayne Dewey Scarlett has been marred by infidelity chatter and her being the breadwinner in the relationship. And speaking about relationship, Aana has had her own relationship issues aired out in the public, particularly with her child father Selector Foota Hype. Once engaged, the two had a nasty breakup which saw her accusing him of domestic abuse and infidelity, and him accusing her of changing for the freakier, to say the least. So reggae / dancehall artist Shan is set to be honored with the Lifetime Achievement Award at the 2024 staging of the Jamaica Poetry Festival on August 11. The annual event organized and promoted by dub poet Yasos Afarai will be held at the Caribbean Sculpture Park on the campus of the University of Technology with tributes to Gil Scott Aaron, Carla Thomas Hewitt, and Professor
Pumbo blood clot. You don't know, so we're dark again. Lockdown Whitehall. Gunshot from southern till night. People, Vybz Kartel is now a free man. Free! Free! You see the free sound? And then a joke thing, viewers and subscribers, I'm excited for telling you the news. You see me? It passed due. Remember, say, I've been telling you from a long time, say, him go free that area and I know the year can come. See the area. Vybz Kartel is now a free man. July the 31st, 2024. Vybz Kartel is now a free person walking down Pum Pum Street, brawling. You see me I say? People, this is nothing ordinary. This is so exciting for dancehall. And let me tell you why I say so. The dog go forward back. The dog can go the rightful hospital, get him treatment and bring back him vocal strings and deliver some blood clot music. Him a go make some rotted money. Bro, let me tell you this, man. Me see people that talk about Vybz Kartel can't rain pan top because theme time pass. Remember, say them man run the place about 10 years straight consecutive, you know. Till artists where they are road, I say, listen, uno stop key you'd view our come can't win a him alone a win. But that different. That have nothing to do with me. Kartel have the place under choke hole right now. This is the most exciting news a person could ever hear in them life when them a serve life in prison. You understand? At no point in time Vybz Kartel has ever shake towards the outcome of his trial in 2014 when him get sentenced to life imprisonment and him not eligible for parole until him serve at least 35 years behind bars. All of that throw out the court today. You understand? The people them happy. The people them glad. The people them really want to hear something like this. People, let me tell you this, man. Me excited. I'm not a Gaza fan. But if you're not happy for Vybz Kartel today, me I tell you, say you're so bad mind, you're so fucked up, you're so heartless, you're so cruel, and it can't get no worse than that. You understand? The dog and him co-accused them of walk down Pum Pum Street. All of the dog them must say they never did get no pum pum and them deprived of a sexual future. Them are gonna start get pussy like nothing. You understand? So if a pussy are the main concern, trust me, that won't be any concern. Cause Kartel is going to be the hottest person for the next couple of years, at least the time when spend in a prison. So all of who were lazy and sit back who them make one little money put in them pocket. Oh. All of who are farm them little own gang and them little own tea. Oh. Member Kartel come back and in there upon Pum Pum Street. No joke. Him no lap behind the grill. When I take time talk on him phone and then sitting there. Come on, him there now. So we can tell us a phone in talk pan, a phone in voice, everything pan. And me can better any money. Put any artist in a film shows, me I tell them can survive one day. And for see the man can go in at the nice fucking studio. With the nice treatment, the nice everything without having to say, yo, police are come, yo, warder come, yo, dog done. Like after that, him could take all a nice vocal and warder come and fuck up the whole of that. Take him phone every day, stress him every day. And the man still there prison. And the man I say, jump in at the shower, fuck me girl when she a beard. All a shave. And that then a beard. Me no play loose ball. Man never prepare. You think it easy if you do that? You think it easy for them?
Hello everyone. Now we all know that Vybz Kartel, the dancehall superstar from Jamaica, is now out, and the streets, everyone is happy to see him back. The king had been gone for so long, and we know his case has taken quite some time, but yes, all in all, it is the king is back. And so many people are talking about his case, what transpired, what really happened. Now, a bench of judges sat, and that was about 5 months ago, and it came out with so many resolutions, and the case was now the case was reappealed and appealed to the High Court, and to the Supreme Court. Now, the Supreme Court gave its verdict today, and we all know that the people's favorite is now out. Every human being makes errors, but we all suffer the consequences of our errors. But we all deserve a second chance to learn. We all deserve that um, forgiveness, because everyone has erred in this world. Everyone is from a mistake. Everyone has made a mistake. We live on mistakes. We live in a world full of inequalities, full of iniquities. But what really transpires in our lives must actually come with forgiveness, must actually come with second chances. Because if we say we are good enough, how good are we to other people? What if whatever we do, thinking it is good, it is actually harming ourselves and others in silence? What does that mean? It means that we might be doing something for the better. We might be doing something out of our minds because of excitement or something else. But it is good to go back and reflect. Then it is good for all those people who have been wronged to go back. We know we sometimes say, I won't forgive this person, we won't forgive him. This mistake is actually out. But no one is perfect, right? We all know that no one is perfect. Uh, Vybz Kartel is not perfect. And all these people are not perfect. His critics are not perfect. Now, this only tells us one thing about this world. When we are living in this world, let's learn to be humble. Let's learn from our mistakes. Let's not be making a lot of noise because someone else made a mistake or someone else did this or did that to someone else. It is good actually to keep. And if you are a Christian, if you believe in the Bible, there is some teachings that says that do not struggle to remove a log in someone's eye, not a log, but let me say just like a toothpick in someone's eye, but you have a log in your eye. Why will you struggle to look for people's problems and criticize them? But you yourself, you are made of errors. People know you're full of errors. But to be honest, I'm just gonna say maybe he learns from the mistakes. No one is perfect because we've seen this. He has been in jail for so long. Thank you so much for having taken your time to watch this video. This is Eli from Africa. One love, brothers and sisters.